Okay, let's welcome on board then our market guest for the evening, Nilesh Sathe of LIC Nomura Mutual Funds joins in on the show. Mr. Sathe, good evening. Thanks so much, sir, for taking time out for us. Today, the Nifty almost went to 9,000 and didn't quite manage to cross that level. But, at the current juncture, would you say that we're looking slightly overbought?
No, in my opinion, it is fairly valued as of now. And 9,000 is something which definitely will should touch by budget or around budget, because everybody is keen on investing now, and rather the threshold of 9,000 will be crossed only after budget, it seems. But it is fairly valued.
Right, Mr. Sathe, people have started talking about possibilities of the measures which could be taken in the budget. From the market standpoint, what's the importance of this time's budget?
See, actually we have to look at a lot of promises have been made by the government. How these promises translate into the budgetary provisions is something which going forward will decide what is the likely trend of the equity market. Because not just about insurance sector being opened up from 26% to 49%, or some public-private partnerships in infra or power or railway or defense for that matter. So some direction should be given in this budget, that is everybody is looking at, and if this is a directional budget, then obviously there is no looking back, because India as it is one of the best destinations for foreign investors to put money, not only in equity but in debt as well.
What do you think about returns in 2015? What's the kind of number that you're working with? Will it be just as good as what we saw the last year?
See, actually, yeah. Last year, Nifty has in a calendar year grown by about 30%. One should not keep expecting that it will keep on growing at same rate year after year. This 30% we saw after almost a lull for the last 5-6 years. But it will definitely give a reasonably good rate of return, which one should expect maybe between 12 to 15% compounding annually. Because if that is something which is expected, then there may not be any sort of discouragement for investing in equity market. But then expecting 30% year on year appears to be very difficult.
All right, Mr. Sathe, we'll let you go on that one. Thanks a lot for joining us on the show this evening.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll slip into a short break, come back, check in on what's happening as far as Wall Street goes, where things have opened.